Welcome to GooeyTrade and the cTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at basic graphics on the cTrader mobile platform. When you first open the app, you will see the last watch list you viewed. If you tap on any symbol, you will see a mini order ticket and a mini chart. To access a larger, fully functioning chart, tap the Expand button. Click on the squiggle symbol to access an incredible array of graphic tools. You may find it easier to use charts in horizontal mode. The first graphic tool you will find is a collection of lines, and the most important is the horizontal line. Start by choosing the horizontal line and use your finger to drag it to a level of support or resistance. Once you have set the level, tap on the line again to access the menu and tap on the pencil. Here you may change the color of each individual line. You may change the thickness. You may change the style. And you may duplicate this or any object. Tap on Advanced for more detailed management if you require, for example, an exact price level. You may delete an object here. Now, let's select a trend line and set it up as we like it. A point will appear in the middle of your screen and you may move it to a desired starting point. Then, tap where you would like the other end. Tapping on the pencil icon reveals the usual array of style, color, and line thickness. You may move the entire line or move the endpoints. You may duplicate any graphic tool and rotate it in either direction. You will also note a magnet, which enables the endpoints to snap to candle closes or highs and lows. If the endpoint extends beyond price action, the magnet deactivates, enabling you to place the endpoint anywhere. Next, the equidistant price channel provides you with two parallel lines for plotting channels. Move the endpoints to find the upper trend line, then find the midpoint and set the lower trend line. We will have a separate video on the Andrews pitchfork and on Fibonacci. Next, you will find the rectangle, ellipse, and triangle, which you may set up in the usual fashion and manipulate the size and shape. You may also fill the shape with any color and set the opacity to your taste by moving the slider. And text, where you have many color and formatting capabilities and duplication. Tap on the pencil icon to edit, and click Advanced for more options. And finally, from any setup, you may tap the plus Add Drawing and select a new graphic tool from the scrolling menu. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade cTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on cTrader.